Due to competitiveness, due to technological advancement, due to cutthroat competition, it is mandatory for everyone to have a continuous improvement in their own field. It isn't mandatory for survival to have a continuous improvement in all the selected fields by the selected person. Greetings to all of you. Today we are going to discuss one such concept of continuous improvement, which is called as Kaizen casting. There are two components. One is Kai and Zen. Kai means change and Zen means good. Change for good aspects. It is a continuous changing the process, the procedures, and all the things what we are including in a manufacturing and service processes want to be revamped, want to be revisited in a frequent time to have a better quality and customer satisfaction. Kaizen costing is one of the lean concepts which helps us to have a continuous improvement, and it helps to sustain in a market in a better position. That is what we call that Kaizen costing. A simple definition, Kaizen costing is a technique of controlling the cost incurred over unproductive activities and resources which does not add any value to the organization. When you could able to identify the activity or the process which is not adding any value to your product, when you have a continuous assessment and continuous improvement, then it is easy for us to identify the activity which is not adding any value to our production, but it swallows the cost. So if you continuously assess yourself in a periodical way, then automatically it helps us to identify these core areas where we have more value and where we are not having any value, but time is more spending on not productive values. One such technique is called Kaizen technique. In simple words, it is a practical approach to solving cost-related problems and improve the overall efficiency of the organization. How can we improve this overall efficiency of the organization? It is nothing but, as this is suggested by the Kaizen, elimination of valueless activities or valueless processes or valueless people in an organization. That will help you to more focuses on value adding productive process. So this is the simple concept of Kaizen costing. How can we do this Kaizen, that is continuous improvement? There are two different such ways where we can focus on this Kaizen. One is asset specific, another one is product specific. So asset specific and product specific. This is the two way where you can assess, continuously assess. This is what the word which I am repeatedly using, continuous assessment in a periodical manner. What we call as Kaizen costing. If it is an asset specific, where to buy, how to install, where are the cost is less, and how effectively we can utilize this asset focusing. Product focusing, which product, product line, product efficiency, cheap consumption of raw material, alternative vendors. So we want to think in such product line way. So what are all the 5 S's of Kaizen costing? So this is very much important. Then this is the process continuously we want to do. First one, sort. What is your problem? Sort it out. Assess what are all the valueless activities we are doing. Sort it out. Then straighten. Eliminate those valueless activities and straighten your process. Shine. Once this valueless activities are eliminated and the remaining value added activities are straightened, automatically you started shining. Standardize those products, standardize those processes, and sustain in the market. Very simple concept. And how this Kaizen is having the process in fact. Improve your employees who are ready to adapt over this Kaizen and find the problems. That is what Very important aspect which we want to understand. Identify your problem, think and find solution. See, identification of problem, think and find solution, implementation, check, standardize, and repeat the process. All this possible from the first point, which is called as improve your employees. Suppose if you're not having improvised employees in your organization, remaining all the steps will get failed. So first step starts with improve your employees, find the problem, think, find solution along with your team, along with your employees, implement it, check it once in a while, standardize the process, do this process repeatedly. Why? Because Kaizen is nothing but a continuous process. And what are all the advantages of Kaizen casting? Customer satisfaction, forming teamwork. Why? Because we are improved the employees. So forming of teamwork, continuous improvement, creates better work environment, problem solving, promote cross-functional teams. It is not only particularly focusing on the same line team members. It will help us to interact with different cross-sectional and cross-departmental people, and we will have a coordination with those people, widely applicable and reduce wastage. So in this discussion, we discuss something about the Kaizen casting, meaning, how it processed, and 5 S's and advantages. In the next discussion, we will have one more lean concept, which will help us to identify the competitiveness, differential competitiveness of an individual person. So stay in tune. We will discuss in the next discussion.